this is Star with Sparkle Designs by Star. I just wanted to come on here and share with you a quick earring tutorial. I am using the Design Ambassador kit for Jesse James Beads for the month of October. I'm going to be using some beads from the mini bead mix in Blackberry Baby. I'm also going to be using some beads from the Bead Strand Amethyst Eclipse. I also am going to be using my own head pins, and this is the earring we are going to make. We're going to make the match to it. I'm going to be using these triangle style beads that are faceted, that are black. We're also going to be using this little tassel from the bead mix, and we're going to be using this beautiful bead from the Amethyst Eclipse bead strand. I will leave a link down below to everything. I will also leave a link down below to the Jesse James Beads Ambassador program. You have to have 100 subscribers or more, and they will, you can contact them and they will be more than willing to work with you. So let's get started. You're going to need these beads. I'll put this on my bead mat so you can see it better. Here is our earring that we're going to be making. I'm using some eye pins that, whoops, those are stuck together. Some eye pins in gunmetal. I'm going to be using three of those actually, because we are going to be making our own ear wire for today. I did not have any more gunmetal ear wires, and so I made my own. So this is a simple earring. It's quick and easy. So let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take one of our eye pins, and we're going to put our beautiful crystal on there, and we're going to bend it over just like that. 90-degree bend. You will need some pliers, and then you'll also need some flush cutters. And I just eyeball it, and I actually may have to trim that off just a little bit to make a smaller loop. And then I also have my round nose pliers. Okay, so you're just going to, we're not wire wrapping, we're just turning just like this to make a loop. That is all we're doing, is making a loop. And I'm gonna close it up, and this is what we have. It's our first little charm. Okay, next we're gonna do the same thing with our black crystal right here, bead, glass bead. We're just gonna bend it over and cut it off just like this. And I know I do mine weird. I do mine away from me because it gives me a little more rotation, and I feel like I can get a better loop that way. You do you. Make your loop any way you can, and that's what our loop looks like. So now we have these two pieces. We're going to hook all three of these together. I'm not using any jump rings at all. I'm just using our eye pins, putting them together. Okay, and you want to bend it towards you just like that. Slip on our tassel. So we have that. Now we're going to take this one and do the same thing, tilting towards us and attaching it on just like this. And there you have it. We have our main component for our earring just like this. Okay, now we're going to make our ear wire, and I am using my Beadsmith. These are by Beadsmith. Two different this is bell making pliers. I believe this is the 6mm and 4, maybe, I'm not sure. Anyway, we're going to hold it just like this, and let's see, I just held it just like this right here, just a little bit above the loop. And we're going to bend it over just like that. So it looks like this. And bend it down. That's all I did. Just like that. And I kind of went over here a little bit and did this. And then I held it. And I just popped this out. And that's what we have right there. Make sure they match a little bit. And then I just trimmed it off. What I do with my pliers, my cutters. And I just left a little tail, just like that. That's all I did. And then I opened this up. Hooked this on. And there we go. You have 2 earrings, easy peasy, less than 10 minutes, or it'll take you about maybe 10 minutes to make them. There you have it. And I thought these are so pretty, these beads. Like I said, I will leave a link down below. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of my YouTube family. And I hope y'all have a blessed, fabulous day. Remember, don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And you were born to shine. You were born to sparkle. Leave a little sparkle wherever you go. Because you can never have too much sparkle in your life. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Bye, y'all.